Welcome to BMC Software's guide to installing the BMC AMI storage for z/OS product families, using the BMC Common Installation System for z/OS. This instructional video is intended for users who are newly installing the FDR, FATSCopy, or IAM product families, or users upgrading from older versions, such as FDR 5490, IAM 1002, or FATSCopy 4933, and releases prior. This is part 1 of a 5-part instructional video series. Part 1 offers a brief overview of what's new for the FDR, FATSCopy, and IAM product families, along with a summary of changes to the installation process for those products. Parts 2, 3, 4, and 5 each offer step-by-step walkthroughs for each stage of using the BMC Common Installation System for z/OS. So what's new with the BMC AMI storage for z/OS product families? Starting off, a branding change. BMC CompuWare FDR, BMC CompuWare FATSCopy, and BMC CompuWare IAM have been brought under the BMC AMI branding umbrella. Moving forward, you'll hear BMC software representatives refer to these products as the BMC AMI Storage FDR, FATSCopy, and IAM for z/OS product families. On the technical side, users should note the introduction of new product address spaces and BMC's license management software. The BMC AMI Storage FDR and FATSCopy product address spaces and license management are facilitated by the started task FDR main, while BMC AMI Storage IAM will use started task IAM main for the same. An appropriate started task is required to be active anytime a BMC AMI storage product is used, and the started task must be active in the specific system where the product is being used. You can read more about configuring and activating these started tasks in the Frequently Asked Questions document published with this video, or on docs.bmc.com. Maintenance is now delivered as PTFs and RSLs via IBM SMPE. Maintenance can be obtained in bulk or as individual fixes via batch job using the Receive Order Control statement. Additionally, custom ZAP maintenance for prior versions of FDR, FATSCopy, and IAM products are now integrated into the product's respective global options panels. You can read more about how to obtain and apply maintenance via IBM SMPE Receive Order, as well as how to enable or disable custom ZAPs from previous product versions, in the Frequently Asked Questions document published with this video, or on docs.bmc.com. Lastly, the most significant changes to the BMC AMI storage product families are found in the installation process, which we'll cover next. The changes to the installation process start with downloading the BMC Common Installation System's .bin image file. In typical installations, users will download the installation system file directly to their mainframe via FTP, FTPS, or SFTP batch job, and then decompress that image file using a decompression batch job provided with the image file. Please note, the BMC Electronic Product Distribution website does not offer the BMC Common Installation for z/OS image file, nor does it offer the image files necessary for installing the BMC AMI Storage FDR version 6, FATSCopy version 6, or IAM version 11 product families. After the .bin image file is decompressed, users will execute the BMC Common Installation System and navigate its panels to select products. In this manner, installation of the BMC AMI storage for z/OS product families has been simplified. Rather than needing to run individual installations for each product or component, users will simply select the appropriate product family related to the products and components they are licensed for. For all FDR and FATSCopy related products and components, users will select BMC AMI Storage FDR family /FATSCopy. For all IAM related products and components, users will select BMC AMI Storage IAM /IAMplex. When installation and configuration is complete, BMC Software License Management determines which products and components can be used. Once the appropriate product family or families have been selected, the user will be prompted for information specific to their mainframe, and the BMC Common Installation System will automatically create installation and configuration batch jobs for the product families selected. Additionally, the BMC Common Installation System allows users to select multiple product families for a single installation project. A user licensed for products or components in FDR, FATSCopy, and IAM can select both product families, IAM and FDR/FATSCopy, and the BMC Common Installation System will handle generating installation and configuration jobs for both product families at the same time. These changes to the installation process aim to achieve three goals. First, alignment with BMC Software's mainframe product portfolio. BMC's mainframe products near universally use the common installation system, which allows our teams to provide uniform, high-quality, ongoing support and maintenance for all product families' installation processes. Second, streamlining the installation and upgrade process for our users. Many BMC software customers use multiple BMC products in their day-to-day mainframe operations. Offering an installation process and system common to nearly all of our products, which is able to generate installation and configuration jobs for multiple product families in a single project, can help streamline upgrades and installations for our customers. Last, support for and availability of the IDP and CompuWare installation process for these products is coming to an end, as FDR 5490, FATS Copy 4933, and IAM 1002 reach their end-of-version support dates in calendar years 2025 and 2026, the prior installation process will as well. Please note that for all releases of the FDR and FATS Copy product families version 6 or later, as well as all releases of the IAM product family version 11 or later, the IDP and CompuWare installation process can no longer be used. This concludes Part 1 of BMC Software's Guide to installing the BMC AMI storage for z/OS product families using the BMC Common Installation System for z/OS. Thank you for watching.